Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Monmouth County, Southeastern Middlesex County, Northern Ocean County, until 7:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Marlborough, Manalapan, Tinton Falls, Red Bank, Manasquan, and Point Pleasant Beach. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 89 and 111. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex and Monmouth. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m.